Amy, Bill, and Celine are friends with different ages. Exactly one of the following statements is true. Bill is the oldest. Amy is not the oldest. Celine is not the youngest. Rank the friends from the oldest to youngest. So we need to find out which of these statements is true. So let's just assume one is true. So if one is true, then that means Bill is, I'll denote Bill is 1 for the oldest. Therefore, this statement must be false. So if Amy is not the oldest, then if that's false, then Amy is also 1, but that's a contradiction, which won't work. So therefore, statement 1 can't be true. Let's assume statement 2 is true. That means that Amy is the oldest, or rather, no. If this is true, Amy is not the oldest. So therefore, Amy is 2 or 3, second or third oldest. If this is false, that means Bill is not the oldest, so he is 2 or 3. And Celine is not the youngest. That means that Celine is the youngest, because that has to be false. This must be false, that must be false. This is true. So 3. So that's true. But then these both can't be 3. So they have to be 2, but they can't both be the second oldest. So again, we get a contradiction. So lastly, let's now just assume statement 3. Maybe, well, by process of elimination, statement 3 has to be true. So Celine is not the youngest. So therefore, by that, here we're saying 3 is true. Celine is not the youngest. Therefore, Celine, C, is 1 or 2, first or second oldest. This is false. Bill is the oldest is false. So B is 2 or 3. And this is also false. Amy is not the oldest. That being false means that Amy is the oldest. Amy is 1. So Amy's 1. Bill must be then the third oldest. And then Celine must be the second oldest. So ranking from the oldest to the youngest, we have Amy, Celine, and then Bill. So Amy, Celine, and then Bill. Therefore, answer is choice E.